install drivers without downloading from manufacturer's website. Since gumagamit na tayo ng Windows 10, mas madaling mag-download ng drivers from here. So simple lang. All you need to do is go to this, right click sa this PC, then click manage, or sa computer management. From there, may lalabas na computer management from here. Ito na yun, which is then go to device manager. Lalabas yung list of devices installed. So you don't need to worry dahil madali lang naman siya. Select a specific device. Kung wari ito si PCI, right click, update drivers, then search automatically for drivers. This is the advantage ng by Windows 10 dahil automatically siya na maghahanap ng drivers para sa iyo. Unlike sa lower OSs or sa lower version, which is ikaw pa mismo magda-download. Mapapansin nyo, nag-flicker siya, which is normal. So it's okay na mag-flicker siya since nag-install na tayo ng drivers for the devices na present dito sa operating system natin. Sinample ko lang si PCI device dahil siya ang pinakamabilis mag-install. But usually, I do graphics card drivers first. Pero if you do have the DVD copy or the downloaded drivers with you, mas better. All you need to do is to have the optical drive. From here, Windows successfully updated your drivers. So tapos na tayo mag-install. So nasin mo siya, lumabas na siya dito. Same procedure as the others. So wala tayong i-worry dito. So it's good. So same procedure as the others, same applies with the others. So bye.